That is straight out of the middle of the bat. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Glorious, absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the spin. That's 6. He picked up the length very early. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Bang into the gap for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. He is an outstanding touch here. He is dealing in boundaries. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. The ball had off to the boundary. See you later. Written all over it. Can you do it again? Golden, the stumps go for a toss. Fielders outside the inner circle. What a catch! That is brilliant bowling. The batsman had a poke at it and he's gone. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those key singles.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Loud appeal, and that's out.
Oh, that's close. It's a huge appeal. That is a very good shout and they're going to review it.
We're checking for a no ball. Fair delivery. No problem. Impact in line. Pitching in line. Wickets hitting. You can stay with your decision. You're on screen now.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Oh, shot, but only a single. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back. Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. And he helps himself to a six. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Called in and the stumps go for a toss.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
That's into the gap. should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Nudges it for a single. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
That is a very quick signal taken. Last ball of the innings coming up. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.